Biology is the science of life, and it teaches us about everything from the smallest cell to entire ecosystems. But did you know that the principles from biology can also offer profound insights for your personal development? In this video, we'll dive into 4 key biological concepts that can be applied to improve your life and build new mental models for success. Let's explore how understanding evolution, symbiosis, and even genetics can help you navigate challenges, make better decisions, and thrive in today's world. Principle 1, evolution. The first concept is evolution, one of biology's most fundamental principles. In nature, species evolve over time to adapt to their environment. The individuals or organisms best suited to their surroundings survive and thrive, while those who resist change often struggle. Life is full of change. From career shifts to personal growth, we're constantly being pushed to adapt. But what if we took a lesson from science to help us navigate this? Darwin's theory of evolution can teach us powerful strategies to not only survive but thrive in the face of life's challenges. According to the theory of evolution, species that adapt to their environment are the ones that survive and grow stronger. It's all about adaptation, variation, and gradual improvement over time. So, how can we apply this idea to our own lives? Just like in nature, personal growth is about adapting to new situations and evolving over time. Instead of resisting change or feeling defeated, we can view every challenge as an opportunity to evolve. Life is constantly shifting, and the key is to stay flexible and open to learning. Another lesson from evolution? Small changes over time lead to big results. You don't have to transform overnight. Start small, whether it's learning a new skill, building a healthy habit, or improving your mindset. These little adaptations compound over time, leading to personal growth and success. Evolution also teaches us the importance of trial and error. Not every attempt will work, but by experimenting, learning from failures, and adjusting, we become better equipped to handle the future. Just like nature, we can adapt and overcome by constantly refining our approach. So how can you apply the theory of evolution to your own life? Create mental models that focus on adaptation, small improvements, and resilience. Don't be afraid to experiment, fail, and try again. This is how you evolve into the best version of yourself. Remember, just like in nature, your ability to adapt and evolve will determine how far you go. Embrace change, start small, and keep evolving, one step at a time. Principle 2, homeostasis. In biology, homeostasis refers to the process by which living organisms maintain a stable internal environment despite changes in the external environment. For example, your body constantly works to keep its temperature at a steady 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, regardless of whether you're in a hot desert or a cold room. Ever feel like life is spinning out of control? Like you're constantly trying to balance everything, but it never quite works? That's where the concept of homeostasis comes in. It's a powerful principle from biology that you can apply to your personal life to find balance and well-being. In biology, homeostasis is the process by which the body maintains internal stability despite changes in the external environment. Whether it's keeping your body temperature steady or balancing your hormones, homeostasis keeps you functioning optimally. But it's not just your body that needs balance, your life needs it too. If you're constantly pushing yourself without taking breaks, or focusing too much on one area of life while ignoring others, you're throwing your life's balance out of whack. Just like your body, your mental and emotional well-being also need homeostasis. How can you apply this concept? Start by creating personal mental models that focus on balance and self-regulation. Think of your energy, emotions, and time like your body's temperature. They need to stay within a healthy range to keep you functioning at your best. Homeostasis teaches us that small adjustments can make a big difference. Whether it's taking a break when you feel overwhelmed, setting boundaries to protect your time, or adjusting your goals, These tiny shifts help you maintain balance and avoid burnout. You can also create mental models that focus on self-awareness. Just like your body signals when you're too hot or too cold, your mind and emotions send signals when you're out of balance. Pay attention to those signals, stress, anxiety, or fatigue, and make the necessary changes to restore your emotional and mental homeostasis. So next time you feel overwhelmed, think of homeostasis. Balance isn't about perfection. It's about making the right adjustments to keep yourself steady, no matter what life throws your way. Principle 3, symbiosis. In nature, symbiotic relationships are those where two or more species interact in ways that benefit all parties involved. A classic example is the relationship between bees and flowers. The bee gets food and the flower gets pollinated. Ever feel like your relationships are out of balance? Whether it's a friendship, partnership, or even a work relationship, sometimes it feels like one side gives more than the other. But there's a concept from nature that can help. It's called symbiosis. In nature, symbiosis refers to the relationships between two species that benefit both sides. It's a system of cooperation where both organisms help each other thrive. Think of bees and flowers. Bees get nectar and flowers get pollinated. It's a win-win. So how does this apply to your life? You can use the idea of symbiosis to build healthier, more balanced relationships. Whether it's at work, with friends, or in your family, it's about creating mutual benefit where both sides contribute and support one another. Start by creating mental models around relationships that are built on mutual support. Ask yourself, are you contributing to the growth of others? And are they contributing to yours? A healthy relationship, just like in nature, should provide value for both parties. It's a balance of give and take. Symbiosis also teaches us the importance of collaboration. Whether in work or personal life, you can achieve so much more by working together and sharing strengths. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and create environments where everyone thrives. It's not just about personal relationships. Apply this symbiotic mindset to your work or passion projects. Find people whose skills complement yours and create partnerships that drive collective success. When everyone benefits, everyone grows. Remember, life is better when we work together. By adopting a symbiotic mindset, you'll build stronger, healthier relationships and create environments where you and those around you can flourish. Principle 4, neuroplasticity. Our brains are incredible organs capable of rewiring themselves based on new experiences and learning. This is known as neuroplasticity. It challenges the old belief that the brain is fixed after childhood. Instead, we now know that with practice and effort, the brain can grow and develop throughout life. Have you ever felt trapped in the same old habits, stuck in a cycle of negative thinking? What if I told you that you have the power to rewire your brain and create new ways of thinking? It's possible, thanks to something called neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's amazing ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. It means your brain isn't fixed. It can change and adapt even as an adult, and that's the key to transforming your life. Imagine breaking free from bad habits or negative thought patterns. Neuroplasticity allows you to retrain your brain by intentionally practicing new habits and ways of thinking. Over time, these new behaviors become hardwired, replacing the old ones. Here's how you can apply neuroplasticity to your life. Start by creating personal mental models that support growth. When you catch yourself thinking, I can't or I'm not good enough, replace that with I'm learning or I'm improving. Repeating positive thoughts and actions strengthens new pathways in your brain, making change possible. Neuroplasticity thrives on repetition and consistency. Small daily changes can lead to major rewiring in your brain. Whether it's building new habits, learning new skills, or reshaping your mindset, your brain will adapt to the thoughts and actions you focus on most. Another way to harness neuroplasticity is through mindfulness and reflection. Pay attention to your thoughts and behaviors, identify the ones that hold you back, and intentionally practice new, empowering ones. Over time, You'll build a brain that works for you, not against you. Remember, your brain is always evolving, and so can you. By applying the concept of neuroplasticity, you can reprogram your mind to think, feel, and act in ways that support your personal growth and success. Biology isn't just the study of life, it's the study of how life thrives. By applying concepts like evolution, homeostasis, symbiosis, and neuroplasticity, you can create powerful mental models to improve your life. These models help you adapt, maintain balance, foster strong relationships, embrace growth, and leverage your unique strengths. Thanks for watching. If you found these insights valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more ways to apply science and wisdom to everyday living. Remember, life is all about growth, so keep learning, keep evolving, and keep thriving.